Welcome to TMB Designs. I am Trevina, your host of this fabulous lifestyle channel full of inspiration, motivation, and creativity. Okay, guys, today is the day I share with you my winter glam living room refresh. All of my tried and true already know of my love for blue. So this winter refresh is no different, you guys. I just made a few changes to accommodate the new additions in the space. But again, I wanted to keep that warm wintry vibe throughout the season. After Christmas come down, you have that little sparse feeling or that feeling of something missing in the space. And so I wanted to warm it up and create something nice and cozy. So here, as you can see, everything flows beautifully together. I absolutely love the winter picks that I chose to use to style this space. If you've seen my dining room refresh, you'll know that I went with a monochromatic theme and I kept the frosted picks to carry over into this space. The rooms are adjacent, so I wanted the rooms to flow seamlessly together. So I chose, again, frosted picks. You guys all picked up at 70, 80, some even 90% off to create this beautiful floral arrangement on my coffee table, as well as the little picks on my end tables. And everything just flows beautifully together. Now that you've gotten an overview, let's go in for a closer look. I rearranged the furniture to place both coffee tables on this side of the room. And on each table, I have a frosted floral pick, sentimental family pictures, a beautiful mercury glass vase, candlesticks, and the staple lamps that are from Home Goods. And this space is complete. Again, keeping the theme monochromatic and symmetric, I did the same on this side. Beautiful pick, sentimental picture, mercury glass vase, candlesticks, and lamps. I just love the symmetry that this gives me. Some family members have asked, I'm going to go in with a closer detail of my curtain rods. These champagne finish rods are from Tuesday Morning. They are absolutely gorgeous. And I have on them a DIY curtain with fabric I picked up from Hobby Lobby. It is an iridescent taffeta and it's so beautiful. I don't think the pictures or video does it any justice. On my oversized chair, you guys, I opted to keep the same pillows. They are fitting for the theme. The baby is cold outside, can stay out all winter long. And on a cold, chilly day, that's perfect. And now, you guys, I have had so many questions about my gallery wall. I picked up pictures from Hobby Lobby. They were actually botanical pictures. I simply popped them out and added our own personal pics from our wedding photos. And I absolutely love the end result. To keep the theme monochromatic, I printed every picture off in black and white so that it flows seamlessly together. This is an easy DIY that you can achieve with any finish of frame, any style of frame, but it gives your space a custom look that is true to you and your style. And moving down with the sofa, I opted to do the same. Just keep my pillows that I had styled for the Christmas season. The colors flow seamlessly and the theme is still the same. And guys, here on my coffee table, I wanted to bring in more of those beautiful frosted picks. So I created a DIY floral design in my mercury glass vase. Added to the table my favorite new find, which is the Inspire Me Home Decor coffee table book. And this table is complete. And for the new addition, you guys, it is this Facebook Marketplace fabulous find, the desk. It was the inspiration for the total rearrange in the space. Although I am on the hunt for the perfect chair and plan to give this desk a nice DIY, a bit of a glam over, right now it fits perfectly into this area. And anticipating a desk to come, I purchased some really fun and beautiful aqua and gold themed pieces, and they fit perfectly on the desk. Now, if this is your first time visiting, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the TMB family. I have so many more amazing video content to bring you. To my tried and true, I want you to know that I love and appreciate you. Thank you for your continued support. So until the next video, I want you all to have a blessed and most beautiful, beautiful day. Smooches.